Here's a fascinating 17th century book in a period, full leather binding. It's a modeled calf with the compartments beautifully gilt, decorated. There's the title label. It's the joints are worn and cracked, but the binding cords keep the book structurally sound and tight like so. Here on the paste down is someone's very early index there. And we see here it has the blank leaf and a half title and the title page, Lugduni, which is Lyon in France, and it is 1696. It is this well-known work here by Lamy. It's a new edition, and it is noteworthy for having within it several interesting, well, three actually interesting maps, the first of which is right here, copper engraved, folding like so, which I looked in Tooley's Mapping of the World and did not actually see this map mentioned within it. It's interesting because the world map depicts California as an island. It has a beautiful strapwork cartouche right there, a couple insets here. That's the first map. The next map is this great map, it's wonderful, of the Holy Land, like so, very decorative, nice cartouche with grape clusters there and two figures, smoking chalice down here above the distance scales, and there we have the second copper engraved map. And we also have this wonderful Jerusalem urban plan here, like so. Yep, scarce. All of these are scarce. This one is by Damaso. He's the engraver. Then it's followed by this very interesting Judaism-related plate right here, tabernacle and various instruments. This. So, this back, and we have here, we have this floor plan right here in Jerusalem temple, and we also have this one right here, another this is a prospect view here in Jerusalem. Okay, this famous temple. And then we have the rest of the text block, which does have some woodcut and ornaments. We have this really great image here of a Jewish man in a synagogue. And let's see, next one like so. Here's another one. So, another Jewish priest. And we have this table, folding table, measurements. And this one here as well. And there's one more like these two. Yeah, we've passed it, but it's very similar to those. And this is how the book survives, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.